Hello everyone, this message is dedicated to our nursing students who will be taking the board exam this coming November. And the title of the short message is God's Wisdom Seen in the Tiny Teacher. Of course, our text is found in the book of Proverbs chapter 6 verse 6 to 8. Go to the ant, thou sluggard. Consider her ways and be wise. To our beloved nursing students, your board exam this coming November is not just a test of knowledge, it's a test of faith, discipline, and character. When God gave Solomon wisdom, he saw that even a tiny creature like ant can teach us great lessons about life. You know, some of you are reviewing diligently, but others maybe are a little too relaxed right now. And sometimes even sleeping while others are studying hard. Today, let's listen to the tiny teacher and learn 3 lessons that can prepare you for success, both in life and in your exam. Number 1 point. I prepared the 3 points. Number 1, the ant teaches us diligence. Work even when no one is watching. Ants are never lazy. They work tirelessly even when no one tells them. God cannot bless laziness. Diligence is a mark of wisdom. If ants work hard to gather their food, how much more should we carry our life's purpose and God's purpose to work hard for our future? Whatever you do, work heartily for the Lord. Colossians 3:23. Application. Don't waste your time sleeping when you can be reviewing. God can only multiply what you have planted. If you plant effort, you will reap success. Number 2, the ant teaches us preparation. Prepare before it's too late, and store food during summer so they can survive the winter. They don't wait until they are hungry to start working. Lessons that I'm going to share to you: don't wait for the last few weeks before the exam to start studying seriously. The summer is now. While there is still time, prepare your mind and prepare your heart too. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and He will establish your plans. Proverbs 16:3. Application. Nursing students, study every day. Don't just prepare your notes. Prepare your spirit. Ask God to fill your mind with wisdom and your heart with peace. And the last one, point number 3. The ant teaches us cooperation. We succeed better together. Ants work together in unity. They lift heavy loads than themselves because they work as one. The lesson is you're not competing one another. You're journeying together. Encourage those who are tired. Wake up those who are lazy. Pray for each other. 2 are better than 1 according to Ecclesiastes 4:9. The application: form a care groups. Share your review materials and lift one another up. When one passes, all rejoices, and heaven rejoices too. Now the conclusion is, God gave Solomon wisdom, and that same God can give you wisdom today. But remember, wisdom only works for those who are willing to work. Be like the ant. Diligent, not lazy. Prepared, not careless. Cooperative, not selfish. As you prepare for your board exam, give your best effort. Then let God do the rest. Proverbs 9:10, the fear of the Lord is the beginning of wisdom. Now my final challenge to you students: wake up, study and pray. Let your hard work be your act of worship. Then you pass. When you pass the board exam, give all glory and honor to God, to Him who gave wisdom to Solomon, and to you.